Good PM. Today is November 25, 2023, Saturday. And here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, November 25, 2023. Here are the STL Sur 3 PM result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for Saturday, November 25, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for November 25, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.